Batch B, Vaccination Day 2. Birds are highly tested. To actually know the intensity of how tested these birds are, we do a test on them. The test is as simple as this. You drop and empty this thing. You see how they rush towards it. An empty rubber. You still take the empty rubber to another location and drop. See what happens. So that's to tell you how tested they are. Now with this, you know that they are good with their vaccine. And most importantly, most of them will take their vaccine with the rate of their test. In the sense that all of them will look forward to taking their vaccine. So just stay tuned as we take you through the process. So when you drop it, it hits the top. Can I take this one here? Just hit the top and see. Hit the top. That's it. The other ones, here's what's on the other side. Down. These. So what we have here, the drinkers are not enough for such tests. But nevertheless, we ensure that all of them takes their vaccine. The next part is withdrawing of drinkers.